This yearly overview is perfect for progress tracking and timelines. Let's learn how to make it. First, insert the hollow circle shape. Resize it to 11 centimeters for both width and height. Then center it on the slide. Click on the yellow dot that appears when clicking on the shape to adjust the width of the circle band. Make sure to remove the outline. Next, insert a rectangle shape. Resize it to 11 centimeters for height and 0.05 centimeters for width. Then give it a different filling than the circle and remove the outline of the shape. Place the slim rectangle in the center of the circle and duplicate it 5 more times. Select all shapes and under Arrange, align them in the center as well as in the middle. Then click on the rectangle shape in the middle, and under Rotate, click on More Rotation options. In the menu appearing on the right side, type in a rotation value of 30 degrees. Repeat the process, this time adding a rotation value of 60 degrees. Do this for each of the slim rectangles, adding 30 degrees more for each rotation. Once done, your circle will be evenly split into 12 segments. Now select all the shapes and under Shape Format, go to Merge Shapes. In the drop-down, click on Fragment. Next, delete all the fragments at the center of the circle, as well as the fragments separating the 12 circle segments. Since the lines are very thin, they can be hard to click on. A trick to get around this is to simply select the shape using your cursor. To stabilize the shape, group all of the circle fragments at the end. Then insert another hollow circle shape. This time resize it to 15 centimeters for both width and height. Again, make sure to remove the outline. Place the larger circle over the smaller one. With the yellow dot that appears when clicking on the shape, adjust the width of the circle band. The two shapes should not overlap. Once the size is set, move the inner circle to the right side of the slide and the outer circle to the left. Insert a rectangle shape. Resize it to 15 centimeters for height and 0.1 centimeters for width. Give the slim rectangle another fill color than the circle and remove the outline. Then place the rectangle at the center of the circle and duplicate. Select the 3 concerned shapes and make sure they are aligned the center as well as in the middle. Select the slim rectangle and under Rotate, select Rotate by 90 degrees. Again, select the 3 shapes and under Shape Format, go to Merge Shapes. Then click on Fragment. Just like for the first circle, you now delete all of the fragments in the inner circle, as well as the lines separating the 4 circle segments. Then group the 4 shapes. Both circle shapes now get moved back to the center of the slide. Next, insert a circle shape. Resize it to 3.5 centimeters for both width and height. Then give it a color of your choice and remove the shape outline. Move the circle to the center of the slide. Select all 3 shapes. Go to Arrange and make sure they are aligned in the center as well as in the middle. Now click on the center shape and type 2025 into it. In your upper right toolbar, you can adjust the text font, the text size, and the text style to your liking. Then go to Insert and click on Text Box. Type in JAN and adjust the text box to the length of the word. Place the box in the upper right segment of your circle. Adjust the writing color to ensure good contrast. Then copy the text box and place it into the next segment. Change the text of the month accordingly. Repeat this process until all of the segments are labeled. For the placement of the text boxes, make sure to use the red guiding lines provided by PowerPoint. Once all of the text boxes are placed, select each of the opposing text boxes and align them in the middle as shown here. Once this is done for all months, do the same in the vertical as exemplarily shown here. Once your months are evenly spaced, copy one of the text boxes and place it in the upper right green segment. Type in Q1. Increase the writing size and make the text bold. Then copy the text box and place it in the other 3 segments, changing the number from 1 to 4 accordingly. Again, use the red guiding lines. Once everything is set, align the text boxes in the vertical and in the horizontal like done for the months. In the end, group everything. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.